Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling one of the biggest kitchen challenges, grease and grime. Over time, cooking can leave a sticky residue on your stovetop, counters, cabinets, and appliances. But don't worry, you don't need harsh chemicals to clean up the mess. In this video, I'll show you effective home remedies using natural ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. Many store-bought degreasers contain harmful chemicals that can affect air quality and leave behind residues. Using natural alternatives is safer, budget-friendly, and just as effective. Plus, these remedies are eco-friendly. Vinegar and baking soda magic. One of the most powerful cleaning combos, vinegar and baking soda. Here's how to use them. Sprinkle baking soda on greasy surfaces. Spray white vinegar over it and let it fizz for a few minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth or sponge. For stubborn stains, scrub lightly with a soft bristle brush. This method works wonders on stovetops, counters, and even oven doors. 2. Lemon power for a fresh scent. Lemons aren't just for cooking, they're natural degreasers. The citric acid cuts through grease while leaving a refreshing scent. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle salt on the cut side. Scrub greasy areas with the lemon. Then wipe clean with a damp cloth. This is great for cutting boards, stainless steel appliances, and even microwave interiors. 2. Dish soap and warm water for everyday cleaning. For everyday maintenance, a simple solution of dish soap and warm water is your best friend. Mix a few drops of dish soap with warm water. Use a sponge to wipe down surfaces. Rinse with a clean, damp cloth. 4. Cornstarch for glass and stainless steel. Cornstarch is a hidden gem when it comes to grease removal on glass and stainless steel. Make a paste using cornstarch and water. Apply it to greasy surfaces and let sit for 5 minutes. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. 5. Bonus tip. DIY degreaser spray. Want an all-purpose degreaser spray? Here's a simple DIY recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup white vinegar, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon dish soap, 1 cup warm water, a few drops of essential oil, optional for scent. Mix everything in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use. And spray on greasy surfaces, let sit for a minute, and wipe clean. This is great for countertops, backsplashes, and kitchen cabinets. And there you have it. Easy, effective, and natural ways to remove grease and grime in your kitchen. Give these remedies a try and let me know your favorite in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.